Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this time it's to repair your dishwasher utensil rack. A lot of these dishwasher racks start to break down, especially at the bottom part, so utensils fall through the cracks. I'm going to show you how to fix it and do a quick, easy hack without buying a new one. Here we go. So a lot of these dishwasher racks are notorious for breaking, especially at the bottom part. So usually utensils, after a while, they'll break through the grid there. And so it leaves a gaping hole, and then the utensils get stuck and then drop to the bottom, and then it makes it hard for you to open the rack. So I'm going to show you a really quick way using twisty ties. Basically, if you have these around, you can get them at the hardware store. And then just a clipper, and then along those pliers to pull through that. Okay, here we go. So I basically took these plastic ties and weaved them in to the existing basket. It saves me from getting a $50 basket from Amazon, so it saves you a little bit of money. And then you just pop that back into the rack. And now the utensils can go in without it going through the rack. Just be careful not to drop these utensils down. All right, that's it. Hope that helps.